This is me enjoying the view at Mount Pulag. So this is the story of me hiking Mount Pulag. Yes. So this is when I arrived at Baguio and here we are traveling sa van. So we are a group of 8, 9, 10, yeah. And this is nung kumuha kami ng certificate and this is the view along the way. Yeah, so yung first step namin is yung med-cert and then breakfast and then after that, going na kami dito sa DENR for the orientation, orientation muna. So, yung orientation will take place at 8, but we are here in around 7. So, we have to register first. And then, first come, first serve kasi. So, pag mahuli ka, hindi mahuli ka din ma-orient. Good thing we are in the first batch. And then, we have so much time pa to, to see this view, see diba? Ayan na yung view along the way. And then here is our van going to our homestay. So mag-homestay kami. And then ito yung siguro mga around 10 o'clock na to in the morning. Kasi natapos yung orientation is around 9. So this is the view. O diba? Hindi ka pa nakakapag-hike. Maganda na yung view. So, eto, nagpa-picture muna ako. And then this is my outfit for the day. So siguro mga 2 a.m. kami nag-start ng hike. So this is a briefing kasama yung tour guide namin and we start walking at around 2 a.m. Ito na yung grupo namin. So we are the sweepers. So nandito kami sa ulihan to make sure na lahat is nagpapatuloy na naglalakad at walang maiiwan. So, being a sweeper is hindi madali kasi nga yung pacing, kung ano yung pacing ng nasa unahan, yun yung hahabulin mo. Hindi naman siya actually habulin. So, pag mabagal sila, mas mabagal ka kasi you're making sure na walang maiiwan and everything is okay. So, this is the view. So, papunta na kami nito. I think papunta na kami saan naman kayo papunta nito? Camp 2? Yes. So, ito siya kadilim. So, talagang may headlamp kami talaga. Kasi nga, kung wala kang headlamp, walang ilaw na magagabay sa'yo. Hindi kaya ng mga bituin sa langit. So, ito marami kaming mga nakasabay because it is weekend. So, Saturday kasi yung akyat namin. So, Friday, Saturday ng madaling araw to. So, eto, mas nagpapalapit na kami sa summit. Yes, so, almost there. So, mga at least 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes na lang nalakad. And then, summit na. So, eto na yung view, diba? So, maganda na nakikita mo na. And here we are. So, diba? Ang ganda ng view. So, tapos, eto, syempre, papapicture tayo. Diba? Ang ganda-ganda siya. So, this is perfect sunrise. Yes. So, here's my picture. So, hindi pa ito madaming tao kasi once na lumabos na yung sun, dyan na siya may pila. So, bumaba na kami dito sa somewhere na para mag-take ng photo. So, ito yung video, diba? Ang ganda-ganda. Sea of clouds. So, March of 2024 pala namin inakito. So, ito yung view niya. So, mga around 6 a.m. yan siya. O, diba? It's so amazing. So, enjoying the view. Worth it ang pagod sa pag-hike. Kasi, siguro mga total of 9 hours din namin nilakad. Kasi nga, puro beginners kasama.